So I've got my 2-pack of underbed organizers here. What you'll notice right away, one is a little bit taller than the other. You can shorten these down to 7.5 inches. This one's actually down 7.5 inches, or if you want, you can expand these all the way up to 10.5 inches. It's almost like a suitcase that has an extra zipper in there that allows you to expand that. And that's what this is. On the inside of this, they actually have a bottom here. It's just foldable. So you just pop that in there. It's a see-through top right here. It's all zippered. It does have a handle right here. This is all fabric. On the underside here, we have a metal frame. It took me right around 10-15 minutes to put both of these together. You have wheels on here, so this does support up to 80 pounds. We've got another handle here, and we also have a tag here. And then right here, here's a better view of the zipper. So if you want to make this shorter, you can zip it like that. You can see it's going to go ahead and pull it down. I mean, this is great for putting in children's toys, clothes, extra clothes, winter clothes, stacking them in here, and then you can go ahead and put these underneath your bed or table to go ahead and put them out of the way and make your home just a little bit more organized. Hope you found this review helpful.